welcome back to Country Views. This is what we're making today. Can you guys guess what it is? Well, guess what? It is country fried steak with my twisty version of it. And then I will be showing you how we're going to be breading it, frying it, and what we're going to pair it with. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the beginning starters. Use your soy sauce of choice. I have cube steak here. There's about 8 of them here. I'm just going to put some soy sauce all over them. Okay. And kind of just rub it in. Okay. Then you want to flip them over and do the other side as well. Okay. This is my version, guys. I'm going to flip them all over. Like this, and then you're gonna put soy sauce on the other side. And you don't want a ton, just a little bit. Rub it in. All right, now we are ready to start breading. You're gonna take your cube steak right into your dry batter. In this dry batter is 2 cups of flour, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and salt and pepper. Okay, and you're just going to batter both sides. You don't want to over batter it because remember, you're going to be making your gravy with flour. Okay, you just want to go about like this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do another one here for you guys. Right into the dry batter. Okay. Flip it over. Make sure you get both sides coated. Okay. Let's do one more. I'm thinking I can fit about 3 in my pan. Depending on what size of pan you have, you can fit about 3 to 4 on here. And I'm telling you guys, this is amazing. I love country fried steak made with cube steak. It's so tender and so easy to eat. So shake off your excess. Okay, now you're going to take your plate and come over here to your oil. Now if you have something wooden you can test the oil with, that's fine. If it bubbles around the wood, then it's ready to go. But I don't have any on me today, so I'm just going to put a little flour in there. See how it bubbles? That's when you know it's ready. Okay? So now, put it in away from you guys. Like this. So that way you're not splattering oil all over you. Okay? Now I'm going to move over a little more and fit this one right in there. Alright guys, so while that side's frying, I'm going to get this other side a head start. I'm going to take some of my hot oil and dump it right over the top of these cube steaks. You will see how much of a difference it makes. It's really yummy and amazing. Like so. All right. So once I do that, then I come over here with my tongs. And actually, let me wash my hands real quick. I got this stuff on them here. All right, so once you get all that, make sure your hands are completely dry because the grease will pop. You're going to come over here and you're going to give them a flip. Okay? That way the other side can sear. Now, once the other side starts to sear, then we're going to flip them over again, and we're going to keep doing it until they get this yummy golden color. So I'm going to continue frying these up, and then I will show you guys what they look like, and then we can go on to the gravy. All right, guys, this is what you want them to look like. They are delicious. Now, I'm going to show you how to make this gravy. In the same pan I fried them in, I took out most of the oil and just left the drippings from the meat, and I added a stick of butter. So you want to let this melt down, okay? Meanwhile, while that melts down, I'm going to show you what I'm doing with the leftover flour batter. You are going to make your gravy with this, with the leftover flour. It's already seasoned, got everything in it you want, and it's going to be divine on your meat, okay? So let's check this and see if the butter is melted. All right, it's melty enough. So now, can you guys answer me a question? Do you know how to make a roux? If you don't, stay tuned to this. In your melted butter, you're going to add your flour. And you're going to whisk it with the whisk. Okay? This will cook the flour taste out, and it makes you a roux for your gravy that's going to go over your cube steak. So get a good view at that cam. That you want it to be bubbly like this, guys. Okay? When it gets bubbly like that, keep focusing on that cam. You're going to get your milk. Okay? And you're going to start whisking in a little bit at a time. You don't need a lot of gravy. You just need enough to go over your meat. Like so. Alright. You want to let that sit and bubble for a minute. Just keep your milk on hand, you guys, in case if you need a little more milk. Meanwhile, who doesn't like gravy with pepper gravy? You're going to add some more pepper in this while you're waiting for that to bubble. And you're going to whisk it in like so. Okay? And you want to turn your stove up and let it bubble. I'm going to put the lid on here and let it keep bubbling, and then when it is ready, we will have a taste test. Alright guys, so this is what you want your country gravy to look like for your steak. And then we paired it with some homemade mashed potatoes. So focus on that for a minute, Cam, while I plate you up some food. Let's see here. Let's give you this nice big one right here. And then you're going to take a scoop of your gravy and go right over the top. You want extra gravy, or is that good?
Oh, I'll take extra gravy.
Extra gravy. All right. How's that for you?
Yes, that is perfect.
And then you come over here and do some mashed potatoes. You can make them any way you like them. All right. So, I'm going to set your plate right here. There's a knife and a fork, and I'm going to let you taste test.
All right.
But make sure you cut Mom a piece.
Cut your piece out. All right.
Don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe to my videos on my YouTube channel. I also have a page called Country Views on YouTube. You getting some of that gravy on there?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's see. He's going in, guys. Can I get a oh so yummy?
That's definitely oh so yummy.
All right, cut Mom a bite. I want a bite. Maybe our friends and family want a bite. right. Let me see here, guys. All right, I'm taste testing behind the camera.
Delicious, right?
That is so delicious, guys. This is a meal fit for a king. You want to have romantic night with your loved one or make a special dinner for your family? This is it. Look at that. Potatoes go well with it, don't it? All right. Here's the camera back cam. So on that note, guys, I'm ready to stuff my face. I'm starving. That is delicious. Thank you for visiting Country Views. Bye.